Ever wished you could give your Shopify customers endless ways to customize their products? With Optimize, that's not a wish, it's reality. Let me show you how easy it is to add unlimited options and variations to your products in just 3 steps. First, we'll create your very first option set. Imagine you're selling a mug that customers can personalize with an engraving. For this, we'll choose a simple checkbox option. Name the option set something like Personalization Options, then select the mug product. Next, let's customize that checkbox. We'll call it Engraving for both the name and the label. If you want to charge extra for this service, simply enter the additional cost in the add-on price field. Now for the fun part, adding more options. Let's say you want to give customers a text box where they can enter their custom engraving message. Easy peasy. Add a new text box option, then fill out the name and label. Want to get fancy? You can even make this text box appear only if the customer checks the engraving box. Test it out before saving to make sure it's working perfectly. The final touches, head over to your setup guide and click Enable App Widget. This will take you to the theme editor, where you'll need to make sure the Optimize app embed is enabled. Save your changes and you're almost done. But before you go live, always test everything. Place a test order to ensure everything looks and functions as you expect. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly customer support team through the in-app live chat. Happy optionizing!